David's driving. He's enjoying that 6-7 life. Getting prepared for his.
Pole and the right.
Hey Dave, how come you didn't do that in the shop?
Do what?
Yours. Your big project.
Because we're busy.
We're busy. Yeah, the shop is occupied. Okay. And he wanted to get her done, so he took her to the junkyard. Ty was just sleeping a little bit. We got a TV though.
The heated area seats were just all by me to sleep.
Yeah.
With the concrete.
We got all the freaking totes in the back. We just cruising, so yeah, on the way up to hot import nights. The pigeons out there getting that bread. So we're getting ready to move in. It's the first time we've ever messed with. That's some camera right there. So look at that. Freaking, he's in the show. Come. Inside. Don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. Probably move this forward now, huh? Yeah, so this is our booth. We go from right here to, I believe, right there. Something like that. So we got this whole section around this guy. We should probably move the Supra here in a second. But look at that freaking truck, all painted. I painted the truck to match the trailer is what it was. So now we need to figure out what we're doing. Everybody's trying to load in. It's definitely interesting. We brought a lot of stuff. Look at all this stuff. We got a TV. There's all merchandise and everything in here. Hopefully we're able to get the truck in here tonight to unload, because this is, imagine if we can't get the truck in here to take all this stuff out. This is Nicole's Evo 8. Thing's super clean. MotionAutoTv, bro, get us out with these hoodies. You know what I'm saying? We got t-shirts, so make your way to the stage. T-shirts!
Have a raffle competition at their booth too, and I'm going to bring a representative from their company up here to tell you about it, because it's pretty epic. If you haven't gone to their YouTube channel yet, you need to check it out and watch.
That's a good looking Asian right there.
Beautiful automotive content.
Hold on. I feel like we should get a bigger crowd here. What do we do? We're gonna do some giveaways. Well, let's do some interviews. Guys walking by, you want some free stuff? Or you already got it in your bag? You got M's in the back? Keep walking.
Okay, hold on. So tell me about MotionAutoTv.
So MotionAutoTv is an automotive YouTube channel I started at my dad's garage like 8 years ago. Just building, project cars. The first one was like a little drag car Mustang, and it's just kind of evolved ever since then and just kind of escalated the projects and doing stuff like that. Right now we are doing a sweepstakes, so we are giving away a 2002 Ford F-250. Flat car trailer. It's a 7.3 power stroke flat car trailer, a BMW 323i like track car, and $3,000 cash.
They're giving away cars, a trailer, and $3,000 cash at their booth, you guys. And what do they have to do for that?
So every $5 you spend on MotionAutoTv.com is an automatic entry that enters you into a chance to win the giveaway. So we have merchandise like t-shirts, hats, stickers, key tags. These things right here are the most popular so far. These are our Boost Weather hoodies, basically like a frozen turbo on the back. But yeah, we have all the merchandise out here today. We also have my Toyota Supra project. That's probably like one of the main things that actually kind of kicked off my YouTube channel about 2 years ago. It was a 95 Mark IV Toyota Supra. Basically kind of brought it back from the dead. It's over there in the corner, so be sure to head over there.
How many of you guys have been to his booth already? Have you? You guys all need to go. You all need to get some merchandise and you all need to enter. They're giving away cars, trailer, and $3,000 cash.
And we have second and third place too. So second place is a set of BC Racing coilovers. So you basically get to pick them for like your car.
Who wants to modify their car and make it better, faster?
There you go.
Yeah!
Lower that. And then third place is a set of conning wheels. So they have like their new full form wheels. And so I work with them pretty well.
What size?
In any size. So it's basically the coilovers you get to pick. The coilovers that fit your car, and then the wheels you get to pick the wheels that you want for your car that Conic sells. So.
That is awesome. So let's give away some of this free stuff, and I'm going to let Jargon pick a competition for you guys to do to win this. And he is my favorite host for a lot of our names.
Nikita's so damn. Look at her hair. That is perfect hair right there. Not one split end. Checked it earlier. No lice or nothing.
Well, first, I think I should just give away the t-shirt and then we'll make
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You ready to give away the t-shirt?
Yeah? Okay, loudest person, and I'm letting MotionAutoTv pick.
Hold on.
So if you guys are in the back, we won't be able to hear you if you want to get this t-shirt.
Kita, t-shirt time. T-shirt time. Let's get it. Came here with his parents. Right? Parents are rocking with him? That's awesome. I like it.
Came up with a great idea. Well, he's seen an idea and he was inspired. He was very inspired. You know how I have that Supra like back, and I got a Supra. How cool would that be to make a freaking Supra towing trailer? That'd be pretty cool. I mean, I'm almost down. I wonder if you can haul your homies in there.
Super trailer. I bet it's not legal. It's got a TV.
It's got a TV in it.
And a PlayStation?
Do you think it's crash test rated? Just like that, we're almost cleared out. Well, we got everything all taken down and put away pretty much, ready to go. Right now, I think they are going to be announcing like the winners of like the judged contest. I'm not sure what, I guess mine even classified in. I just wrote some things and put it on my thing, so I don't even know if I'm even entered into anything, but yeah, so we're walking over there, seeing what they do now. I think they announced that stuff at 9. It pretty much ends at 9.
Goes to Nicole Champion. Now we're moving on to hottest Supra. Hottest Supra. It's going to be second place, Eddie Garcia. Second place, Eddie Garcia.
Are you nervous? Say lady first?
Hottest Supra is going to Trevor.
Got the hottest Supra award. That's pretty cool. There's like 4 or 5 others here, which is pretty rad. Look at outside. It's just freaking coming down. Hopefully everybody got their freaking Boost Weather hoodies though. It's snowing.
Alright, too much flex. Gotta tone down next time. That's fine. So this is like the People's Choice, like the overall? Is that kind of what that is?
Yeah, and the Man Cave. So I guess that's an award that they do. And they do really high-end detailing here in Colorado. So that's awesome for me. Man Cave award. There's something in the envelope. I don't know what's in the envelope. This has been kind of a cluster to get out of here. You got the truck and the trailer. Oh man, look at that penny thing. But they're doing a concert in here, so everybody's all dressed up, all fancy pant. Going in there, we're just trying to get our freaking cars out of here. And there's like this G35 that got freaking stuck.
We're all stuck, bud.
Oh, how you doing?
We're all stuck.
We're stuck. Freaking bringing her on in, boys. We made it! Hell yeah.
Trying to run to catch up.
Got her all loaded up. Gave her a little bit more tongue weight for the snow. So I pulled it a little bit further forward. But I think we're ready to go. So Nicole got first in Mitsubishi. So that's sweet. And then I got first in the Toyota Supra, and then the Man Cave's Choice Award, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's really rad. So both cars that were in the booth. We got this pretty nice trailer right here. Hopefully it Hey, knock it off, man! So we had one person spin out because this person spun out. But they're just chilling over there now, so. Icy roads and 4WD and an enclosed trailer with a Supra in it.
Mustang.
And a Mustang.
I mean, she could have just like...
I'm curious about like all that camber stuff. Like seriously, like the camber gang thing, like cars that drove home. Like they drove them to the show because there wasn't that many trailers there. Imagine driving the Supra home in this. That would have been fun.
Yeah, you would have wrecked it.
Yeah, I wouldn't have done it. I would have got a motel or hotel or something, or stayed in. I'd have slept in the Supra. So we successfully made it to Waffle House. So, man, I don't know what sounds better. Oh, look at those! Look at those guys! Look at these! Oh wow! I wonder if they'll touch the truck by the time we get back. No, I don't know what's gonna what sounds better. Yeah, look at this! Freaking this thing. California. Alright, this is how you drive with a truck and trailer in a snowstorm. You gotta pull over and get the freaking Waffle House. You gotta get that coffee that's gonna warm up your soul. And you wait a little bit. Man, this was needed. We haven't eaten like all day. Other than we had some Chick-fil-A, like one sandwich, but oh man. Well, hey, do you think this counts as boost weather?